Hey guys, this is my first video on this channel, Blake's So Good Fishing. I'm headed out to Tierra Verde in St. Petersburg in about an hour or two, strictly to target blacktip and bonnethead shark. I'll catch y'all up when I get there. Grabbing a quick bite to eat and then we're headed out fishing. We're out here, we got the shark rig set up. It's gonna be a good night for fishing, boys. Hopefully get some bites on that. It's looking like something's tugging at it now, so we're gonna check it out.
Blake's hooked on. Broke a two conch shell, use as bait. What we got? Yay, catfish. That's what I wanted.
Boys, it is not looking good. We have not got anything. Nothing at all, really. I mean, we've gotten a couple hits. We caught a catfish, that's about it, but tonight's looking a little rough. New spot. We got a new guy with us, Gage. Still got Mason with me. Seabass is over there too. This is our setup right now. We have the shark pull out with some ladyfish, and we'll see what we can get into tonight. We've got about a couple hours left. Just wish us luck. It's a nice night. Boys, we didn't do so good. Caught one fish, and it was a catfish. But don't worry, tomorrow morning, 5 a.m., kayak fishing. I will have plenty of videos for you tomorrow. Peace out.